Hello, all my wonderful scrappy friends. I am so in love with scraps. Did you know that? Well, today we are talking about valances. I actually had a question recently about a video I put out nearly 2 years ago. Can you believe I have been on YouTube for over 2 years? Well, guess what? This is a boho valance. This valance can go over your window in your bedroom to make it look more frou-frou, a little bit more outstanding, and it's all scraps. So remember how I told you, if your scraps are 1 inch by 1 inch, we can use it in a scrappy quilt? Well, guess what? All of these strips are 1 inch or less in width, and I've tied in different kind of fabric because it does not have to be quilters cotton. You can use any kind of leftover fabric for this, or my friends, guess what? Blue jean. You can make a beautiful boho out of white shirt that's been stained. Just cut it up, put it into strips that are about 8 to however long you want them, but I usually do a minimum of 8 inches. Tie them around a cord. Now this cord can be any kind of jute or rope or even lace that you want. You do not want it to be stretchy. You do not want it to tear easy. And just tie them. I will tell you, for a valance about this long, you really need at least 1 yard of 2 different fabrics. Yes, can you believe how much fabric it takes? But my friends, when we have bags of scraps, it is easy to turn those scraps into beautiful valances, boho valances to go over our windows. So how do we start? Well, I start with an end of rope and I tie it around a chair post or a table post, and then I can put it between another chair or a table post. I can put them together when I'm not using them or stretch them out. Just sit there in my little office chair or my dinner table chair and tie all of my scraps onto them. So depending upon what kind of scraps you have will be what color boho you have. You can have these for cheering for your favorite team, or beautiful red and white for Christmas. Make them green and white, make them green and red, but these are beautiful for Christmas, and you want them to be long enough to go over your window. So measure your double doors, measure your single door, measure your bedroom door, measure your bedroom window, and make them that long. So how do I do it as a room divider? Well, my friends, a room divider is so exciting. You just take this the same way you do, but these strips, at the end of a strip, you just tie on a new strip and tie on a new strip and tie on a new strip till it's as long as that door is. So we are going to be making another one of these soon, but I did not want to wait and show you all the beautiful kinds, some of them much longer and glorious than the others, and some of them short and lovely in any color that you have. And hit that subscribe button because we're going to be talking about these beautiful stringers as well, valances with Christmas trees on them. I've done them with pumpkins on them. Whatever you can make, we are going to play and have fun here. So hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you real soon.